How did you manage to avoid the political violence that crippled Jamaica during the 80s?
Well, right, I know it's just consciousness, you know. Enough man say consciousness, you know. But you have to be firm with a meditation and don't make anything get you down. Don't make anything distract you. You know, like in those days, you know, we were wearing blinkers. So, forward, you know. No side look. It's forward, huh? Yeah.
Can you please speak about your relationship with the great Dillinger?
Dillinger, that's a DJ. He ain't easy, you know. Dillinger, me and Dillinger used to go one school, you know. Yeah, man, me and Dillinger used to go one school, but we did love the music, so sometimes we go some boom and we school all school, you understand? Sometimes we school and go down King Street, Orange Street, because you used to have what I call it now, you used to have places like the craft market where calypso singers used to come and sing, you know. So we used to school and go to watch a calypso singer, them you know, yeah, so Dillinger, I'm a virgin, man. Bonafide, because I can remember when Dillinger bust out before me, and Dillinger is the first man to drive a car like make out of pure glass. Like what I call it now, like what I call them space, like a space car. Yeah, Dillinger was the first man to really drive a car like that in Jamaica. You know, so me and Dillinger coming from way back. I can remember one time me and Dillinger school and we go down the craft market and the boy them used to hold and take our money, take our lunch money. We're hungry, we can't buy enough food. So the next time we go down there, because we prepare now, anytime we go down there, so we just put some salt and pepper in our pocket, you know. And the boy them say, give me the money. Say, give me the money. We just go down our pocket. The mold, you know. Yeah, man. Me and Dillinger was like that, man, you know. Yeah, man. Dillinger, the great Dillinger.
Please tell us how you survived financially all those years while you were playing sound systems trying to get through the gate.
Well, you really what happened now. Back in the days when we did much younger, like probably 19, 20, going 21, we used to play a song named Herman High Power. But we never used to really have it hard like that, you know, because we used to grow with my grandmother, and more time if we're hungry, we just go probably about 3, 4 miles sometime, get some food from my auntie. You know, but when I was living with my aunt, I never used to play a song. I was a lad then. But since after 1985 coming up, my grandmother used to live close by my aunt now. So whenever time we need food, we just go over my auntie, collect the food from up near my grandmother, come on. So we never really that pressuring, you know. But coming up the line now, we used to start singing songs like Papa Leo. We used to sing and what's this DJ name again? Well, I always forget him song, you know. Scarcha. Scarcha used to have a song. I don't remember the name of the song. And we used to sing on Mr. B. We used to sing on a couple songs. I think we used to sing on one time we used to sing on Youth Man Promotion. You know, as a little youngster coming up, never have that fully experience, you know. So that's it, coming up, you know. It's not the whole of it, but you know, it wasn't that pressuring, you know, coming up, because we never really livicate ourselves at that time to be in music full time. It's after, you know, we started to do the music full time. Because I can remember when I used to go to school in the earlier days, that was like in the 70s, late 60s, I don't remember, late 60s, going into 70s, when they used to have songs like Better get ready, come do rock steady, whoa, you got to do it. You know, we used to sing them songs then at school, you know, and children them used to reel and you can sing, you know. And my teacher is a music teacher. He used to teach me music, but I wasn't singing like now. I was singing that, me coffee, me coffee, me coffee, me coffee. All I want is coffee in the morning. Okay, for another house, the only thing for me is me coffee with my jailbread in the morning. You know, them kind of way that we used to sing, you know. So growing up and we started to sing on sound system and so forth. That's where people started to know Everton Williams, because I used to sing with Everton Williams. That's the name I used to sing with, Everton Williams. Until some people look at me and say, hey, you can't sing with your real name. Find a singing name. I'm saying, I don't know what kind of singing name I will get. Some of them say Everton Pliers, some of them say Everton Screwdriver. Seriously, me I tell you, Everton Screwdriver, Everton Pliers, Everton Toaster. Someone say, no, sir, every time you say Blender. So comes the name, stick on me, Everton Blender. And them say, hey, I eat not to know, Everton Blender. Yeah, man.